Cancer we can give, but takes time, but we cure cancer plus all these psychosomatic diseases. We have to use only candles. So the light has to be used. She left now. He's right. It's just a virus infection of what you call the allergic conditions are nothing but viruses. Allergic, and these viruses are the plants and things that have gone out of the circulation of evolution. So they live on the left side, in the collective subconscious, you see, the area which was built in, and they attack you. Once they attack you, then medical cannot cure it. You see, it's a psychosomatic trouble. And now in his case also same thing. Only the candle can cure it. But candle they will tell you how to use. You have to use my photograph. All right? You'll be all right. It's nothing. And doctors also know that they cannot cure virus trouble. They know that, isn't it? Virus is incurable. They know it very well. Do you know that cancer and all the psychosomatic troubles come from viruses? They are all viruses, different types. That's all. And if you can just get your attention away from them, you are all right. Sahaja Yoga is that. What? If you move towards the left, you go to the collective subconscious, and there are all those things which have gone out of the circulation of evolution are there. But if you can somehow or other pull out your attention, you get cured. Same on the right side also you can have problems. But for psychosomatic troubles, only this candle treatment helps a lot. It's a wonderful thing. And in proper balance, you never have any problem. But when they get disturbed and upset, then only you start getting the problem. He has already told you how things are caused in trouble. I will only explain to you how cancer is caused, because that's very important. Also AIDS and things which are very incurable and people are frightened of them. It's very simple to understand that supposing this is a center and this is the left side and this is the right side. I hope all of you can see this very clearly. Now what happens that when there is too much activity on the left side or the right side, even right side when a person is very futuristic and all that, then what happens that you become vulnerable to cancer. You become vulnerable. But the triggering, as the doctors say, takes place by some proteins they call as protein 58, protein 52. That's just like doctors. When they don't know the names, they just give them number like criminals, number 52, 58. But these, they say so clearly, that come from the areas built within us since our creation. So it is the collective subconscious which exists on the left-hand side beyond the subconscious mind. Beyond the subconscious mind. Now from this you will realize that the subconscious mind is placed next to this blue line and then the collective subconscious. On the right-hand side, the supraconscious mind and then the collective supraconscious mind. So the people who die with conditioning and all that and still are wanting to exist as spirits can exist in that area. Whatever has gone out of the circulation of our evolution rests in that area which is built within us since our creation. So viruses are caused by the plants, or we can say microscopic animals, which are thrown out of the circulation of our evolution. In the same way, there are spirits. As Christians, we know Christ took out spirits and put them in the pigs. So, the spirits that are the dead spirits of people who have not yet accepted that they are leave this world and are still busy hanging around, such people are there. And these are the people used by most of these gurus when they mesmerize you. Once they mesmerize you, you are drawn more towards the left side, towards the left collective subconscious. And when you go to the collective subconscious, that's the area from where this triggering takes place. So too much of activity, already it is sort of getting dislocated. So the relationship with the whole is not there. When the relationship of the whole is just precariously placed, these trigger out and you just move out. Then in this area, all the cells, on this area maybe, all the cells that are there become on their own. Means that they become arbitrary, they start attacking each other, we call it, they become malignant. This is how cancer is set in. Now what happens to the Kundalini? When Kundalini rises, she tries to bring them together. Now, here she awakens the deity there, by which the flow starts and it is kept intact. Apart from that, she gets you connected with the source. So all the time, that energy is flowing in within you, so you do not get any diseases of that kind. Same thing with AIDS. At the lowest one, this one, it is combined with some other chakra. This thing takes place. I have seen it's commonly done by this chakra on the left-hand side. When by some means you do something very perverted and go to the left side too much, then you get attacked by these things. So AIDS can be cured very easily through Sahaja Yoga. But after curing you, if you go to the same thing and do it again and again, then again you get back to the same state. By bringing you in the center, you get cured. But if you try to go back again to the same side on the left-hand side, you get it. The right-side diseases, as here described to you, are like the liver trouble, which is active liver. You can get cirrhosis of liver, jaundice. You can get with that right-sidedness, what you call the diabetes. Also, the hectic life gives you what we call the blood cancer. If the mother is hectic, father is hectic, if the family is hectic by temperament, the child can get blood cancer. This all can be cured through Sahaja Yoga in a proper state. Keep your eyes closed. First of all, please put your right hand on your heart. All the time the left hand is towards me. Now, here you have to say, in your heart, with all sincerity, Mother, am I the spirit? Ask the question 3 times in your heart. This is a very fundamental question. Now bring the right hand on to the left hand side of your stomach, in the upper part. Here press it. Now this is the center of your mastery, your guidance, your Guru Tattva as they say. So ask a question, Mother, am I my own master? This is a question to be asked 3 times. Mother, am I my own master? Now, bring your right hand down below, in the lower part of the abdomen. Now, this is the center from which all the divine work is done. All the pure work is done. So to ask 6 times, because this center has got 6 petals. Mother, please give me pure knowledge. 6 times you just ask. As a result of this asking, the Kundalini starts getting awakened. Now to help the Kundalini rise, you have to cooperate with her. So please put your right hand on the left hand side in the upper part of your abdomen and press it on the stomach. Now here you have to say with full confidence, to help the Kundalini to rise, Mother, I am my own master. This you have to say 10 times. These are the 10 commandments which you have to say. That, Mother, I am my own master. Now, 10 times with full confidence.